Today, ITI and IS&D organized the Go For It Day, trying to make employees connect in search of innovation. Rabobank proves to be a bank with ideas. That in itself is already a great idea. Our team is working in the support department. Now how can we contribute? We've chosen a product that would deliver immediate business value. We have installed and configured an open source software tool that will drastically improve our processes. The bank makes heavily use of IT systems. For their core business processes, it's obvious the bank chooses centralized and industry standard and approved solutions. This strategy is also applied for the tooling that we need to do our day-to-day jobs, and that's where things go wrong. Industry-proven standards are implemented in lengthy projects, with too many people involved, leading to suboptimal solutions, high implementation and license costs. And what's even more important, it will lead to frustrated support engineers. Let's have a look at a real-life example. This is a happy user browsing the Rabobank FXMM website, but unfortunately he gets an error. Mr. picks up the phone and he will call the help desk. What they will do is they will file an assist call. The assist call will be put on a queue and will arrive at our support engineer on the third line trying to solve this problem. He will immediately start his forensics. Basically what he's going to do is he's going to look for a needle in one big haystack. In order to gather information on what exactly went wrong, the support engineer will have to consult log files. Lots of log files. There's a big chain of hardware components right from the web server to the backend where the databases are. All of these components have software on it making log files, and these log files all contain information. Now the big idea is that we need to consult about 30 log files to find out what exactly went wrong. It would be nice to have these log files combined in one big master log that would give us the information that we need. It's a reassuring thought that many other people face the same problems every day. Around the world, people unite in virtual teams and produce solutions for almost any problem. This is called the open source community. It is a huge collective brain waiting to be tapped and offering solutions to the problems that we're working on. We reached out and selected Logstash with a couple of supportive components and configured it in our Rabo FXMM test environment. In less than 8 hours, we had a multiple node setup running, collecting log files from various sources. We did not really like the user interface, so we grabbed a GUI add-on, giving us a fancy web browser interface to query log files and enabling us to correlate events that happened in every component of the application chain. All of a sudden, we are now able to trace messages in less than minutes. Hey, that's cool stuff. All the log files were being collected into one big database, shining there and waiting for us to query. Pretty impressed already, but there was more. In addition to the reactive root cause analysis, we could now also produce combined graphs that help us to proactively predict issues. And all of this really at virtual no cost. So that's it. We've got a little setup running and we're quite happy with it. But can we keep it? That's the question. So basically, what we ask for is empowerment to implement open source solutions. This freedom of technology will enable us to better solve our problems. And therefore, this will definitely deliver added value. Thanks for your attention and bye-bye from the Logstash team.